Atomic structure and bonding. Ions. Ions are different from atoms as they contain the same number of protons and neutrons as an atom of that element would, but they have either lost or gained electrons. This means they either have an overall positive or negative charge, whereas atoms are neutral since they have the same number of protons and electrons and the charge balances out. Positively charged ions are called cations and negatively charged ions are called anions. An ionic bond is a transfer of electrons. Metals have 1 or 2 or 3 electrons in their outer shell, and they often lose electrons in order to gain the stable noble gas configuration. Ionic bonds are between metals and non-metals. Electrons are transferred and negative ions are formed. Sodium chloride is an example of something that has ionic bonding. Sodium has 11 electrons and chlorine has 17. The outer electron on the sodium atom is lost and gained to the outer shell of the chlorine atom. They are now charged ions with full outer shells. Ionic bonds are the result of electrostatic attraction between these charged ions. Each negative ion is attracted to positive ions, and each positive ion is attracted to negative ions, which is why substances with ionic bonds have a lattice formation. A covalent bond is a shared pair of electrons. For example, chlorine gas exists as pairs of Cl2. Each atom now has a noble gas configuration and is more stable. Molecules have a neutral charge because no atoms are lost or gained, no electrons are lost or gained, only shared. Double covalent bonds exist where 2 pairs of electrons are shared, like in carbon dioxide, where each oxygen atom shares 2 pairs of electrons with the carbon atom. Dots and cross diagrams can be used to display and visualize covalent bonds. The dots and crosses represent electrons on the respective atoms, and these diagrams make it easy to visualize which electrons are shared.